95% of people who want to start a business never do at all. And those who try, what happens? Out of them, 80% fail in the first year. Not because they aren't smart, not because they don't have resources, but because we are going to see the reasons why they do. Are you among the individuals in 95% who fail? Yes. If you're not, and if you are, or if you're just wanting or you're thinking of making a business, listen and listen well. It's not because they don't have the passion, by the way, or it's not because they are not smart. All these two people, they are smart and they have passion. But because they lack the tools, they lack the ideas and the plan. Yesterday, I was talking with a friend who told me consistency is a key, and of which I knew it before. He said, I quote, if in the first year I did transportation in UAE, in the second year I changed, I went to travel agency. In the third year, I ran to real estate. Do you think I would be where I am? No. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a successful business with just ChatGPT, even without anything. Even if you are broke, you can start your successful business. Now imagine having an assistant. I've been telling you about my personal assistant with knowledge beyond a human being. A strategist, a marketeer, and a business partner is just in one person. And who is this one person? This one person is ChatGPT. That's exactly the person I'm talking about. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to start and grow a successful business, even if you are broke, even if you're busy like me, even if you're just a beginner without knowledge. So don't scroll. This might be the video that changes your income story forever. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you join us from. This is Christine, your lady. This is a mind-blowing video, so don't touch the dial. In today's video, before I dive into it, I want to really appreciate our beautiful and gentlemen who are really on our posts, who are always following us. Some of them are supporting us, and some of them are there to learn. For you subscribers who just came, please take seats, get a lift, start working on your own channels, on your own businesses, on your own social media platform using that smartphone. Remember what we are talking about. We are talking about starting a successful business with ChatGPT. Don't forget, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. Mind you, I'm not a financial guru. I don't give out free money. I'm not an NGO. I'm a lady that has decided to give you the knowledge that people are using. The very few people, like the way you have seen, 95% of people are failing with a very expensive smartphone, even with ideas. But in today's video, let's jump in and see how this personal assistant, strategists, the overall, the marketeer, the business partner, and the planner can help you. We are talking about ChatGPT. I'm very sure that most of you know all about ChatGPT. If you don't know about ChatGPT, put it in the comment section. In the first instance, you guys, let's talk about it. ChatGPT can make you find your perfect business idea. You know that. Let's be real. Most people get stuck at the first step. What business should I start? Most of us, we have been there. I've been there. You've been there. Even that person you admire has been there. ChatGPT can give you 10 profitable ideas based on your skills, based on your passion, and even your location. What you need to do, you need to go to your ChatGPT and key it. Let's be real. And I said we have to be, let me repeat this. Most people get stuck at the first step without business, about what business they should do. But it's not anymore. ChatGPT can give you 10 profitable ideas on you, based on your skills, on your passion, and even your location. Try seeing our video that we posted with Premium previously on this, about the 10 best questions that you can ask and you be rich with ChatGPT. Try asking questions like good prompts, like what online business can I start with zero and minimum or just nothing and just a smartphone? Give me business ideas based on my love for fashion and writing. It is give me business ideas based on what I'm doing. You know what you love, what you're doing. No more overthinking. ChatGPT has gotten answers for you, has gotten your back in a second. You guys, it can also validate your idea like a pro. You got an idea. What you need is an idea. You're good to go. Let's check the worth of ChatGPT. There is a beautiful young lady who is starting a perfumery in Uganda. Recently, she asked me about the ideas. She has been asking me. Now, I told her, do you have ChatGPT? She said, yes. I said, go there. Put there. Validate your idea. See your market. See this. And boom, she brought everything. You can see the screenshot on. She gave me the name. She gave me the branding and everything. I said, now there you go. Let me modify for you. So it has gotten your back completely. What you need to be intentional and focus. Ask ChatGPT questions which are related and like maybe on current trends in digital fashion, in making money online, what pain points do busy moms face when they are buying skincare, a lot of things. You will get instant market research without paying a dime. No need to pay anybody. Then in another part, this ChatGPT is a very good business planner. In minutes, it will give you a business plan. As you all know, there is no successful business that will not need a roadmap. So ChatGPT has gotten your back. It is going to create for you one, even if you never write any. But what you do, you got ChatGPT, you ask it focused and be intentional. Something like write me a simple business plan for a home business or a home baker. Maybe outline my income goals for an online coaching business. I outline my online business goals for making money coaching online. You'll be shocked how organized and focused your vision becomes. It is serious. Then it will help you to do branding and marketing. Even it goes ahead and makes content for you for this business. Now it's time for you to stand out, especially when it is business. From names, from slogans, bios, captions, content calendars. ChatGPT can craft for you a brand voice from scratch. It has done this for this girl I'm talking about in Uganda. Write you can try something like this. Please ChatGPT, write for me 15 Instagram captions for digital marketing brand. Boom, it will give you. Suggest a catchy name for my online store selling handmade crafts. It will give you. You choose, you modify. The only tip I give you, if it gives you things, you also be lenient. See through, don't carry everything and put there. So you get to know there are no more creative blocks, just execution for now. And in this, every business person needs sales. And now you have a sales coach. I'm a sales consultant, but most of the time I don't struggle. I go and get from ChatGPT, tells me, then I go and crack a deal. I no longer struggle with people anymore, but I do ChatGPT way because it is my personal assistant. ChatGPT can write for you sales copy, it can write for you offers and even customer messages. As I said, you have to be intentional and focused. You ask questions, you put prompts which are real intentional, which are focused and specific. Like for example, write for me a persuasive WhatsApp message for my product launch. Yes, it will give you something very good. Create a high converting product description for my hair seller. It will give you in minutes. You'll see which confidence and clarity. You will sell like nothing, I'm telling you. Now in the 6th part, we are going to talk about how it can help you to automate and scale business. Your business needs to grow, and ChatGPT has gotten you. It will make you grow with it. It helps you to write SOP. Those are standard operating procedures. If you don't know, it can train your virtual assistants and even automate responses. What you need to do, create onboarding scripts for my new client, write an email to welcome subscribers to my online courses. This is very great. Your business becomes a system, not a struggle. Now that we are here, guys, you don't need millions to start a business. You just need the right mindset and the right tools. And ChatGPT tools has gotten is your silent co-founder. Use it smartly and ask right questions and build the future. Here we are. This is if you're serious about starting a business, this is your time. What you do, like this video, comment, and share it to your friends for them to know there is no struggle anymore. See you in another video.